Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, goodness,
Then it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home. Nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Snowco? Oh, no. It's Lemon.
But I love you, kiddo. It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
We're contaminated. A struggling child here tonight. We responded to a 23-night case in progress and reported to the scene.